Getting control of your puppy might seem like a really hard thing to do, but it's not. Especially if you use games and fun and choices. I know. You'd think you'd have to be like, no, you don't do that. Some puppies think no is the only word that they're here, and it's their name. That's not how we do it. Let's try it a different way. Let's reach a puppy at the puppy's level where they're best, where you're the best friend. You're their best toy. But their responsibility of behavior goes on the puppy. I know, that's a strange thought, isn't it? Giving the puppy responsibility for control when he's such a wild thing? Well, it is possible. Let's see what we can do.
2 dogs. Guess what I found? I found Airplane who can sit. Sit for Airplane. Good boy, Tassie.
Good boy. So we can use Airplane. And I usually will go, look what I found. There's Airplane. Oh my goodness, it was in your dish. And I act real happy. And I go, oh, here comes Airplane. Take it slow.
There we go.
Muggly.
Hi, sweetheart. Oh, I miss seeing you.